Hi guys, this is 2012 Mazda CX5. This car had a problem is the brake pedal is sinking. When you pressing the brake pedal in the 60 speed, is the pedal going to the floor. So I'm going to replace for the today the brake master pump, this one, and the brake booster. So when we pressing the brake pedal in the speed, the 60, it's like brake pedal is going sinking like this onto the floor. So this one had an internal failure in the brake system, in the brake master cylinder. So that's why I'm replacing for the brake master pump and the booster. We have to need to off this top cover, the wiper arm, and we need to take it out this this panel for the more access to the brake booster. Off the cover. This is 14mm nut. So after that we have to off these clips, have to remove for the take it out for the this panel, this one here, another one in here. Okay, we take it out the cover. So after that we have to off this wiper motor assembly. So in here the connector off, you have two screws in here, one here and the one here, the 10mm bolt. Okay. That's the part number. So after that we have to off this 12mm bolt and take it out, this panel out. Do this one. Okay guys, you can see the more access to the brake booster and the master pump. Now I'm going to off this cover, the 10mm bolts. Okay, off this panel is I think 4 screws, nuts. Okay, we had off the connector of the brake master pump and this boost sensor in here, boost sensor connector. Again 3 wires. You put sideways and the AC hose to the sideway. Okay guys, you can hear two 13mm 2 nut in here. We had to off these two and then these two brake lines. So this is one, the bracket in here, the AC hose, the pipe. Then off this one, I put it in here. So put in like this and put the white tight on it. You have to get the more access. So you can see the more room in here. Guys, here's the inside of the pedal. We need to off this, the 4 12mm the bolts. The one side is a long stud in here, you can see, and the one little pin in here, this one we have to take it out. You can see this little pin, and this one push that way and take it out. Okay, after that this pedal is free now. Okay guys, you off all the 4 12mm bolts. Okay guys, see how to the 13mm spanner to off these 2 bolts. There's another one in here. So we need the 10mm the crow foot, the release the brake line. All good. There's a one bracket, this one is going like this way. You can see that everything is moving. I already got the new master cylinder. This one I got for the wreckers. You can see here, cut it all the way, only the $70 from the wreckers. It's a good one. This one only 60,000 kilometers driven, this master pump. So this one going to replace to here. Okay, this one is the same as a number in it. This is a new car. It's a 2017 model. This is a 2012, but the same booster and the master pump. So view of the two brakes lines. Take out the master pump. Take out the rags. Okay guys, we're going to install the new brake booster and master pump. Let's get it high. Good. Then careful with the lines. Okay. Okay, we're going to put the brake oil. So this one I put the .3 in here, saying .3 brake fluid. So then after I have to do the brake bleed the system. I'm going to bleed the brake. So you can see the rear left hand wheel off first. You can see the brake nipple in here. It's a 10mm brake nipple. Guys, going to break the bleeds. Okay, keep pumping. You can see the air is coming. Okay, pump and hold.
Yep.
Again.
Yep.
All good. So we need to do the other three wheels. Need to break the leads. So we need to do the front left hand side. Okay, pump. Okay, pump and hold. Again. Again. Going to tighten all the 12mm bolts. Going to install the wiper motor. Okay, it's tight. Then after put back the connector. All good. Now to put back the plastic trim. Okay, we install the trim cover. Now put back the clips. Okay, we finally installed everything. Now I have to tighten for the wiper arm. All good. Okay, finally we going to install the top cover. Okay guys, finally we done the job. So I went to the road test. So brake is fine, not sinking in the pedal, everything is fine. So this is then the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.